The order Schneiderman's furniture in Lakeville, Minnesota. ThyssenKrupp. This used to have MAD Atoll. It's my first install of it. Still does. Fans on, which sucks. Alright, 2. Look down to 1. I'm not gonna ring the bell. Here's your COP, 3,000 pound capacity, MAD Atoll buttons on the inside with an 88 phone. It's a nice cab for a T-kit. Very nice. Grocery store people before pressing chime. You're at 1. Now we're at 1. There we go. Said it a little too soon. Yeah, this is the first time I saw MAD Atoll in the field, and I like it. It's not a bad fixture, but I like some of MAD's other fixtures better. Their calls does not work. 2 wanted there. That fan sucks. Here are 2. Alright. There it goes, and that'll be it.